Charlie's looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey guys, it's Chris with Electric Rides. I am doing an unboxing kind of setup kind of video about the Burley tail wagon that I received a few months ago during the winter, but I wasn't able to get it up and going just because it's been snowing like crazy here in Utah, and now it's been clearing up. So thankfully we're able to get this up and running, and hopefully my dogs can get a ride here and there. I'm thinking about setting this up on my RadExpand 5 just because that one is the one that I was pretty much I got just so I could go up to the mountains, go on trails, and do kind of like out in the mountains kind of things. And so I'm gonna hit that one up. I still got a flat tire on my Rad Runner Plus. I need to fix that, but this one is all good to go. I got the dual battery on it. They're all charging right now, but I still need to make a video about that. I have it all shot and recorded and everything like that. I just need to put it together and edit it and put it online. But I got the two batteries, one here extra. This is the over here. This is the, when I'm not using it, this is the Rad Runner Plus battery. Plop it on there to get double the range. And so that'll definitely help out with this thing, especially with my chubby puppies. But yeah, let's set this up. What's it look like, Charlie, huh? Does it look good? Would you get in it? No? Oh, snub it. Snub nose. Snub nosed it. Charlie's looking at me like I'm crazy. Seems like the bit's working well. I think the trailer's wheels need to be inflated though. Grab my batteries, put them on the RadExpand here, and take it for a spin and see how it goes. Seems like it's working well. I'm gonna try my other dog. Come here, Oz. Come here. Weirdo. But yeah, it looks like the dog seemed to enjoy it, so get the sun here. Maybe not. I don't know what's a good angle. I'll get in the shade. So my dog seemed to enjoy it, so yeah, it's a success. Overall, it was a easy installation and seemed really smooth. The ride wasn't too much different from what the standard Rad Runner Plus feels like, or the RadExpand 5 feels like. It just feels like a rad wagon, like a little bit longer in the back there, a little bit more weight in the back, but not really noticeable. Of course, a little bit slower to get up to speed, but then again, you got a dog and a trailer in the back there. But yeah, otherwise, it was a definitely recommend product. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep riding. Bye.